Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I am pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing Dell's Premier Wireless headset, the WL7024. This box looks absolutely fantastic. We came to market with a couple of headsets over the last little while. This would be the WL3024. And you'll see from a design perspective on ear, the mic kind of sits like this. You can move it up and down. Then we came out with our active noise canceling headsets, the WL5024, where, again, still on ear, you're going to see that boom mic kind of tuck away into the headset itself. The WL7024 are over the ear and there is no boom mic, so it's a boomless wireless headset. There is so much innovation, keyword AI. We've heard it nonstop over the last little while, but this particular headset is gonna do some really incredible AI noise cancellation for both you and your audience. So you're really gonna get some really premium sound out of these. I can't wait to do the unboxing. As always, you're gonna see a live demo. We'll play some background noise and capture how you would sound. We'll take a look at Dell Peripheral Manager. I talk about that a ton, your one-stop shop. But if you didn't know, we also have a Dell Audio mobile app that is compatible with iPhone and Android. So, hit up the App Store or the Google Play Store and check it out. So let's jump in. Now, I've already called out the box once before, but man, oh man, this is pretty sweet. The Dell Premier Wireless ANC headset. You got a diagram with the buttons. You do see that on the side, it is going to come with a 3.5mm jack, the USB-C cable, a dongle for USB-C, USB-A, the USB-C receiver, a charging dock. So if you look at the front of the box, the headsets can charge in this charging dock, and it looks pretty slick on the table. And then this last one is the carrying case. So it looks like there is a ton of stuff packed into this box. You will see that it is Microsoft Teams certified, Zoom certified, through, you think about Open Office and things like that. A lot of innovation, as well as AI technology that I've already called out. ANC down in the box down below. Battery life wise, you're looking at up to about 80 hours is what I've read. Let's take a look at the unboxing. Let's jump in. Let's pull the seal. The excitement. I've been waiting for these. Let's carefully slide that out. You definitely feel the premium nature to this. Oh man. Is everyone ready? Oh, look at this hard shell case. Definitely very slick. I'm assuming the headphones are in here. Oh boy. Oh. Wow. Look at these. Man, oh man. Look at the details, right, left. You've got a little area for your Type-C dongle, and then hey, if you don't have a free Type-C port, you do see your USB Type-A. Look at the detail, and we're just looking at the case. A lot of space. Let's push this up here. Do have our quick start guide. How to charge it, how to get everything plugged in, how to turn it on, how to replace the cushions. It's got interactive touch controls over here, so in terms of volume up, volume down, fast forwarding your tracks, double tapping to answer, pretty slick. And then you'll see the ANC buttons. Dell Peripheral Manager is indeed called out right there, as well as the Dell Audio application, a quick little QR code that you can go ahead and scan. Warranty, regulatory, and safety information. So the cables. Sweet. So this would be your standard USB Type-Cs to USB Type-C. Love that it has its own cable wrap so you can stay very tidy. Now this would be your 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you are on a plane and you don't have access to Bluetooth, you can plug in your audio and listen to it in the old school way. Some may say, hey, being wired sounds better. We do have some more pieces here. Oh boy. We have our charging dock. So there's contacts here. You will see that you have the right and left. And just putting it on the stand. Look at how slick that looks. This is a beautifully designed product. Kudos to everyone that worked on this. Connectivity wise for this charging system is USB Type-C. Let's do a final check in the box. And that is it. So over here I do have my WL7024 plugged in. I'm coming to you live from the headset. We'll take a look at Dell Peripheral Manager. So quick call out here, I am running version 1.7.4, which is the latest. You will see device status over here. So, things like battery life, what Bluetooth devices I've actually connected the headset to. Audio settings, if I want to turn on active noise cancellation, transparency, which is allows the ambient sound to be heard. You can adjust the volume of that, or if I wanted to turn that off entirely. From a audio mode perspective, do I want to have it set to collaboration, multimedia? So you're able to see bass boost, speech boost, treble boost. From a multimedia standpoint, I can actually adjust the bass, the mid-range, and the treble. So you do have an EQ and you're able to adjust the knobs there. Collaboration-wise, I can have it limit near-end mic noise to create a better audio experience for others. So, filtering out some of that background noise and things like that. Now, from an incoming audio perspective, so I can make other people sound better to me on my listening experience here. So you're able to filter that. Side tone, will control how much you can hear your voice when you're speaking on a call. If I want to crank that all the way up or turn that down, I'm welcome to. For automated actions, you are able to see wear detection. So, when you remove your headset, it's going to pause the music, mute your mic, quick pause, when you move an ear cup off your ear. So if I push only half of my headset off, it's got quick pause. So that's pretty cool. Normal sensitive settings right down there. And then from a device settings perspective, you can set up the busy light. So say, hey, I'm on a conference call. Over here is going to be red. Voice guidance, again, if you're using the audio prompts, you can actually hear that on the headset. So there are touch controls. So me moving up is actually turning up the volume and then turning down. And then on this side, you'll have some more functionality there. So that pretty much covers kind of Dell Peripheral Manager and using the WL7024. Let's now move to some audio testing with some background noise, just to give you an example. And for the record, while I've been doing this Dell Peripheral Manager overview, I'm actually coming to you through this headset, so you're able to hear what that sounds like. Let's switch gears. So just to show you, we're going to do a quick little test of some dogs barking in the background and showing you what happens from an ANC perspective. So I will go ahead and turn on ANC. Let's go pull that on. And now, despite the background noise, it's probably coming through a lot cleaner. So hopefully you enjoyed that quick little test of what happens with the ANC. Now, say there was incoming audio of a dog barking. What if I had this setting toggled on is some of that background noise would be filtered out to really give you a very optimal audio experience. So note that if you do have within Dell Peripheral Manager that incoming audio setting turned on, just make note that it's going to filter out the audio. So say you're listening to a clip and there's dog barking, it's going to be filtered out. So just pay close attention to that. But the outgoing audio is fantastic and works exactly how it should. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video and unboxing of the WL7024. This is a fantastic headset. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. Feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Bye now.